Hello YouTubers, I come to you today with the ugly fruit. This rather large and peculiar looking fruit is a cross between a mandarin orange and a grapefruit. As you can see here, for scale, this is a lime. This is a lemon. That's my lime on the floor. So it is rather large. It's actually bigger than most grapefruits. And since it's a cross between a mandarin orange and a grapefruit, it's supposed to have somewhat of a orange flavor to it. So we're going to do is slice it up. We got this particular ugly fruit at a farmer's market called Robert Is Here in Homestead, Florida on our recent trip. And this will be our first time trying this. Alright, so I got my knife. We're just going to slice this up into pieces like we would a typical orange. I have no idea what's inside. And here's the big reveal. It looks like an orange inside. But this thing smells wonderful. It definitely has a very orange smell to it. My cameraman's taking a sniff.
Oh, it does smell like an orange.
Yeah. It's ugly, but I really like the colors inside. I don't know. Get a good
really
focus
good
on that, Sam?
Yeah. It looks like an orange on the inside, just bigger.
Yep.
It
So we're
smells
gonna do
really
is
good.
we're gonna cut this up into wedges and eat it. So go ahead and keep slicing this. It's got a nice thick skin on it. Cuts really well. Alright, let's go ahead and give this one a taste. Look at the
Definitely
cells on
orange.
that are very large like a grapefruit, but it does have a
Mandarin orange.
very distinct orange scent to it. I like it. It's not very strong. It's pretty mild, actually.
What does it taste like?
Here, you try a wedge, Sam. It's got a little bit of a grapefruit tanginess to it, but it's not super strong.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, it's really tangy.
All right, so everybody, as I said, this is an ugly fruit. It's actually a really nice colors inside with yellow and green. It's got a nice flavor to it. Probably tastes really good like in a fruit salad or something like that. Or just as a snack.
It can also be a substitute for any citrus fruit.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't think I would substitute
I read it
ugly
online,
fruit
so
for
it's true.
a lemon. Oh, you read it online. My cameraman here didn't want to be on the video, so I'm on the video today. So, with that, I want to say thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for our weird misadventures that we have throughout our time here on the internet. Thank you.
Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ring that bell.